odd. There we go. Hi YouTube, hi Twitch, hello everyone. How? Hi, ugh, God damn it. 1 second. Hi, how's everyone doing? Hi, Anand. Hi, Ankur. Okay. Long story short, I can't make a long stream. Hey Eunice, hi. I know it's technical stream. It's Tuesday. I always do technical streams. We're gonna do something, but I don't have too much time right now. My fiance. If you hear something in the background, my fiance is right now freaking out. Partly my fault. The problem is high bit zone high. The problem is that we have like there was a spot in our bathroom. There was a spot on the ceiling, a little spot. Didn't look too bad or so. Now she looks at me. Why is he talking about that? Because it doesn't matter. He's an idiot. Yeah, but there's like a leaking pipe, so I've got to take care of that. Basically, our bathroom is falling apart, so I got to take care of that. But I've got some time because I always have my technical stream. There we go. Yeah. So that's the story. Long story short, I don't have too much time. I'm still having fun though. Yeah, I gotta take care of that. Does anyone have any hints? What can I do about it? God, I need any help. Nah, I'm fine. I just have to call. And I have to take care of it. Yeah, not missing this one. Hey, Hatux, hi. It's not going to be a long one. I just announced. I've got some issues here. Nevertheless, and the second thing is I still have an headache. I have not really been working the last 2 days, so yeah, I don't have too much energy. So the two reasons I might push then a technical stream to later on. But yeah, take camera with you, pipe. No, I won't do any piping. No, I'm not. Am I allowed to? I don't even know if I'm allowed to. Hey, Masters of the Miracle, hi. Yeah, no, that's not gonna happen. My fiance would probably kill me even. So, nevertheless, let's get into the technical stuff. Let's get into the tech stream. I've been doing a lot actually on the software. I've been doing a lot, but nothing that you can really see. It's all in the backend. I've been doing a lot of coding. I restructured not everything, but a lot of things to be able to do a couple of things. The electrical stuff annoyed me a lot. Like for the software, the electrical stuff does not really work well. I've got, by the way, if you downloaded the demo from last time, there were still some issues. I figured I countered some of them. So I'll upload, at the end of today, I will upload this again and put a new link, and then you have... Will I upload this again? Nah, I won't upload it. It doesn't matter. Next time, maybe. Next time. Because today, not too much has changed. Annoying was the last time, for example, that we did not have like a slider. The speed of the mouse is just insane. You can change it now. Just live there. Very easy. Is it 0? Yeah, I can't do anything anymore. Very slow. Good. Okay. That's one thing, but also in the back end. Like when you're clicking on those components, you have the connector here. You have the connector and you're connecting to another component, right? So that I have completely restructured. It's completely new in the programming part. I even made a sketch for myself because I didn't know how to deal with it. How it was, it always used to be driven from one side only. So I could only connect the 24-volt source, for example, to a contact, and then that contact to the next contact, that contact to the next contact, and so on. That's not the case anymore. Now I could connect this contact here, for example. Can you even see my cursor? Huh? You can't see my cursor, right? That's odd. No, you can. Now you can see it. It's strange. Now we can, for example, connect this one here to that one, and it automatically connects both of them. And before it was just one way, which seems strange, and it's completely wrong. That's why I've changed it. Because electrically, it's 100% inaccurate. It worked. but only if you do it 100% correct, which I'm not doing. No, that's not happening. We're not gonna do 100% always correct. There could be mistakes when generating those systems, and of course we want to catch as many errors possible as early on as possible. And this is exactly what I've been working on. It's not 100% correct yet, but with this, it's also going to be easier to implement currents and what's the other thing? Resistances. In the end, we'll see. For now, I've got this. I've got a setup. A lot of programming went into this. And I can now continue with this. This is the basis. Now I have a basis to make really connections from one component to the other. If you've downloaded the software, if you've been paying attention, if I maximize this on play here, then you maybe remember, or not maybe remember, but then you know down here we've got our connectors, all the single connections that, for example, this fuse here has two connections, one on top, one on the bottom. One is in, one is out. And those two connections, they are driven, one is driven by, right now, 1L+, which is a connection on this one here. And the other one is connected to NO13. So now I can actually see what's connected where. And I also want to be able to make those connections. To press a button here, connect. And so the repair button works, kind of. It works better than it was last week, actually. I fixed it using the new principle. And this connect button, I want to be able to say, hey, this is not connected to normally open contact 13 of a component. This is connected to anything else. So I could theoretically connect it to anything else in the whole program, in the whole machine. Of course, wiring, right? So this is about wiring. So what I want to do is, if I press this connect button here, I want to be able to select from every single other electrical connection that we have, right? Every single other one I want to be able to connect, and therefore I will need to list them. So I will have to find every single thing that's in here, and I have to make a list. So that's going to be a freaking big list, right? And that's the task. I won't finish today because I've got other issues to take care of. So we'll get as far as we can now, right? I think, yeah, I started already by creating this. So I want to make a new connection. Here it should list me what's the current connection, and here it should go brrr. Those are all the connections that you can make. I'm just thinking about how it's gonna look like in the end. It's gonna be quite complex, not gonna lie. So what we need is a list of elements here. Every single contact that we have, every single connection point that we have that we can connect to should be listed here. That is going to be a lot. I would say we start with this. It's gonna be quite tough. And I still have a headache and I don't know what I'm doing, so it's gonna be real tough actually. Okay, why is this so shitty here? What is this bullshit? What is this bullshit? What is this? What is this? God, I hate it. Why did I, what? Why is it not, why is this oriented? I gotta clean up first here a little bit. That is ugly. Do I want to? No, it should be like this and that. Then also actually this. And then let's center it actually. That makes sense. Make it a new connection. Yeah, that's pretty. There we go. Got it. Okay. So I want a list of everything. That is going to be rather complex. I don't know how to do it, but we'll see. Let me first reactivate this thing here. Reactivate it. I've got a script that actually lets me activate and deactivate it already. It's this one here. Is connecting. And then I can... Oh, I can already activate and deactivate it by using is connecting. Can I? Ah, God damn it. God damn it. I hate this full screen. Where's full screen? Yeah. Hate it. I can just change the is connected. Is connecting. And if it's on, as you can see, we can definitely see the thing. Why can we not see the thing? Why can we not see the panel? Huh? Void up. It's in the update function. It's new connection window set active is connecting. What? What? Oh, I clicked on the wrong thing. I'm an idiot. Now it should be. Yeah. Doink, 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 doink. So all that is left to do is everything I just said, which is a lot, which is a freaking lot. So let's get started. There's gonna be a lot of information in here. There's so much. God, I didn't really think about it. Oh my goodness. So how do we approach this the best? Okay, I got it. Make new connection. There's going to be a script. This is make new connection script. Let's call it make new connection script, all right? And this script, of course, should be inside the component interface. Yeah. This script will get a list of all the... Wow, this is actually heavy on the PC then. This is actually going to take a bit of memory. Ooh, this is going to be a lot. Do I want a list? I don't know how lists work. Oh shit, I haven't worked really with lists. But in the start, you played Cyberpunk yesterday? Yeah. Yeah, I know. The intro is freaking long in Cyberpunk. I played it too and it was really long. You were upset. I wasn't. It was like, you could foresee it. The story of the game is quite nice. I like it. So, okay, let's make a public... Should it be an array? Did I call it connection? Yeah, I think so. New... Oh, we need a name. All connections. Hey, Roman, hi. New connection array with, I don't know, there's gonna be hundreds, there's gonna be thousands. Hey, Deepak, hi. Today's topic is, I want to be able to connect different components with each other. So I'm creating an interface for it and like a functionality that I can connect, like take a wire from one component, put it to another component so that they can really work together. I can do that, of course, in my Unity editor, but there's no way you can do it right now in the game. But that should be, that is the topic I'm actually tackling. I probably won't finish because I don't have too much time, but we're gonna get started. The principle isn't too difficult. But yeah, so this is gonna need a lot of RAM now. I could work with a list. A list would be better, but I don't know how lists work exactly. I know how lists work, but I don't know how to make a list. List, C#. List, it's a class. I need generic. Public class list, connections generic. No. Generic, that's what I need. I would need to make a list. Where's the list? Oh, come on. Parts is the list. Parts. Where's parts? God damn it, why is this so complex? What? List. Yeah, this thing here. I need this thing. That's it. Something like this I need. Hey, what's that? Hey, Cenobite off second high. How you doing? Yeah, I should use a list, which is gonna make it even slower, but that's fine. So I should use a list, but it's gonna use the generic. Wait, did I already add the generic, or is that always in there? Well, that's the generic, it's in there, okay. Dinosaurs, no. All connections, there we go. Is a list also listed in my editor? Actually don't know. Make new connection. Wait, why is it not here? Why is it not listed? Do lists not? Oh, public. Public list. Is it now listed? Is the list listed? Yeah, it is. Okay. That's good. Hey, Mohammed. Hi. All connections. Size 0 because nothing is in the list. Okay, great. Let's do the first thing. On start, I want to search through the whole project, everything that we can find, which is going to be so much. So much. Already in this, there's going to be like 50 or so. Search project for component. Ugh. Project for component C#. I don't know how the whole project. Quick search. No. Search by type. Yeah. References. No. Find usages. No. That's not what I want. No. What's the, hey Razor, hi. What's the code for it? I want the code. Find? I guess find. Yeah, find objects of type. Find objects including assets. No. Find object. No, find objects of type. Oh, can I do that? Hi, Yasi. Hi. I'm good. I've got still a headache. I've got other issues here, but I'm fine. Nothing I can't take care of. Find object of type. So object isn't. This is going to be an object array. That's great. What's the overloads here? Type, object array, find object including asset. No, why is that? Yeah. Find objects of type. Oh, there. Include inactive. No. Not the inactive. I don't want the inactive ones. Okay. Ooh. As you might see, I still have my headache, so I have no idea what I'm doing, and I'm also in a hurry. So yeah. Find object of type. I need to push that in the list. I could simply just make an object array. Like I have here. I could simply do that. Shouldn't I? Let's make... let's try this. I don't know. Maybe 1,000 objects already. Who knows? Find objects of type, and then we're gonna put in the type. The type is a connection. Will that give me the... Will that give me the electric connections? Will that give me all of them? Let's see. Maybe that already gives me something. I don't know what I'm doing. As I said, I'm kind of stressed out a little bit. We'll see. Did I press play? No. There we go. Look at this. It's 51 connections that I already have in the whole project. So we have already a working script here, and now I need to push those somehow into the all connections. I want them in the list. I mean, I could keep them in an array. The disadvantage of keeping them in an array would be that I need to have space for them, so the array needs to be freaking big in the beginning. Do I need to? Yeah, I need to define a size. Do I? Do I need to define a size? Do I? Or can I just do this and then the first time it's initiating, it's gonna find its own size? I actually don't know. 52. Okay. Size 0. I'll go with the 0 here. I don't have that in there, so it's just gonna find them, and then does it make the length automatically? I don't know. Yeah, it does. It does. That's great. That's great, Hiasi. You're very welcome. You're very, very welcome. God, look at all these connections that we have already. That's so many. Okay, let's keep it in an array. Let's Yeah, let's keep it in an array. It doesn't. We'll just keep it array right now. Maybe I'll change it over to a list later on, but it doesn't make a difference. I can do the same shit with it. So that should be fine. Hey Bogard, hi, hello. So star or connections. Okay, great. That means I've got all of the connections. Oh god, this is gonna be so bad. Oh, how will I do this? Because they don't. Yeah, I know what to do, but there's a lot. There's so much to it. Oh god, there is so much to it. Hey Stefex, hi. Hello, boys and girls. Oh, there is so much to it. I thought this would be no. I knew it would be already complex, but I thought it would be a little bit easier. Let's put them. Let's put them on here, all of them. Okay, shall we? So let's just put them there. Is that this one here? Yeah. So let's make a small UI. Let's make another panel, I guess. Let's adapt the size a bit. Oh, I can't adapt the size because that's driven by the parent. Let's make it small. Hey! House life is great. It's good. It's good. Could always be better, but it's good. Nothing to complain about. Let's make that like this. Let's give it a bit of space to the left here. I don't like this too much. Looks okay. Let's give this a good name. Connector, new connector panel. There we go. Space that up, which I can't because this needs to be the size here. Cell size X. Okay, what I want in here is 45 maybe? Nah, that's too small. Let's make it a bit bigger, like this. That's good. Hey Alexander, hi. I really can't stream too long. Let's see how that looks like if I've got multiple. Nah, that's still too much in between space here. Don't like it. Spacing. Y is 5. There we go. That looks decent. And that's going to list all of them. I hate it already. I see you switch from TR to Notepad. It's not Notepad. This is not Notepad. This is also not Notepad. I mean, I used Notepad before, but not for this, no. So this one here will have, this is a panel, and it will have the following. We'll have a name. It's going to have 3 things in it, which is basically just 2 things. I know, sounds crazy. Oh, I'm so crazy. No, that's going to be spaced like this. Boink. Boink. Something like that. Yeah, that's fine. Let's do the left. Let's leave a little space there. Let's make that space 5. Let's center this bad boy. Let's bring this down here. Let's center all of it. No, to the left. That's good. So like this. And then we're going to have the component name. So the connection name in here that we have. And then we're going to have on the right side here a button that says connect. And then we can connect to this connection. That's all I wanted. That sounds easy. Hey, Mr. Manny Low C. Hi, you're welcome. Text. It's connection name. It's connection. Like that's. It's gonna be which component is it and which connection. So there's gonna be a lot of information in there. So we're gonna need another script. Flippity doodle. There's so much to this. That's too much. I didn't think there would be so much. Dang it. There we go. Hey Bjarke. Hi Evan. Hi. Hello. So new connection. No, I want a push button here as well. A button. That's not it. I want to add a button here. Button. So that button is going to go here to the right side. Something like this. And that one is going to say connect. God, that's going to be so much work. Oh, God. Whoops. I did not think about how much work this is going to be. I want it a bit smaller. Why would the button be big? The button can be small. Text definitely adapts to the size. Best fit drawing. Nah, that's not best fit. Shut up. That's definitely not best fit. Like this, and the text definitely is centered again. Okay, there we go. Great, love it. That's gonna work. So we're gonna have a button for each one. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Not. This is the opposite of fun. This is gonna be terrible. Can I make videos on OPC UA? I have not really worked with it, Shreyas. Hi. I have not really worked with OPC UA. I always wanted to make videos about it, but I just haven't worked with it, so I can't. Let's call that new connector panel script. That new connector panel script will have a lot of things, as you might be able to tell. Hi Nilesh, hi. How you doing? Today no gaming. Today I'm programming a little bit, but not too much. Maybe 20 more minutes or so. And you see I'm rushing because I've got stuff to do. And the new connector panel will have a connection. Let's call it con. It doesn't matter. Hey Hubi, hi Mo. Love the name. It will have a text. Therefore I will need to add the UI, of course. .ui text, and let's call that yeah, text. Actually, I can overload it. It's fine. This with Unity is fun. Do it only with code and with Win API. It sucks. Yeah, I don't really work with Win API. It's not like I'm not linking anything to Windows. And Unity really makes it nice so you can directly connect and everything's easy. Hi Spoon. Hi Roy. So many. Hello everyone. Okay, so this will have a con, this will have the text, and of course the button as well. But the button will trigger it in here, so it's the other way around. Good. On start, I want the text as equal to con dot designation. I think I called it. Yeah, there we go. Perfect, easy. That's not perfectly fine. I have to change it later on. Add a component here. This is just gonna give us the name of the connection, but I want the component in there as well. Yep. I definitely know what I'm doing. Shit, this is so much. Okay, make new connection. We have this all connections thing. Now what I need to do is two parts. Public game object con parent. Yeah, con parent. It does matter. Con parent. And another one con blueprint. Facesafe modules are too complicated. Yeah, facesafe modules are quite complicated. Yeah, you need an example project. I don't have one. I've seen my current videos are and you're old. There's definitely Siemens examples you can find. Do we build? Yeah. Like Roy, you can link it in the end. You can link it to PLC Sim. So yes, Roy. Yeah. It's not a long part from here, but there's it's just me and I have limited time. But yes, in the end you can. Okay, so now for all things in all connections, can I make a for each? Is there a there's a for each loop? I did not know there is a for each loop. Fucking hell, yes. For each in all connections, for each item, current connection. For each current connection, create a new con blueprint. Instantiate No, instantiate? What is that spelled? Isn't it like this? Instantiate? You'll buy a copy as soon as it's available. Give it some time, Roy. Give it some time. But yeah. This is what I want to do. Instantiate, new contact. I just want those 2 lines here, actually. Oh, there is a for each. I've used that already. Nice. No, here. Yeah. Something like this. I've done it before for the interface. That makes sense. So instantiate, game object, new. It doesn't matter. Instantiate, connector panel electrical. No, con blueprint. In parent, con parent. There we go. Dot transform. Perfect. Okay, new contact. So that's this one here. Dot get component, new connector panel. New connector panel. And then dot con. Yeah. Dot con is equal to cont? That doesn't make sense. New contact. Oh god, I don't know what I'm doing. PC programming for your thesis? Hey, that's great. Hope I gain 1 million subs. I won't get to 1 million subs, but thank you. Okay, what am I doing here? So I've got a list with all connections. I'm going through this list with all connections, and I'm checking it every time. Current connection is the current one that I'm going through. So for each current connection, make a new game object, which is of type con blueprint, which is this thing here in the end, like this thing here. And there, put it then in con parent transform. Yeah, that makes sense. And then check for it inside in the new contact. Check the new connector panel, this one here. And make con. Okay. And make con the current connection. That makes sense. Current connection, yeah, Eunice. Yeah, you're right. I just realized that I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I realized it a long time ago already. I realized it already a long time ago. Let's test that. I can only finish this. I hope this works immediately because I really have to take care of the problem at hand. I still have to do small things. I have to connect it here in the editor window. So I gotta make this new connection thingy here, new connector panel, and I gotta go into the blueprint here. I gotta search for the con. The con is gonna be the one I searched. That's perfect. But the text not. The text should be in connection. Is it CPP? No, it's C#. It is very similar, if you ask me. There we go. So that's fine. And the second thing should be on. This one here, I need to add the parent and the blueprint. So the blueprint is new connector panel, and the parent is this one here. Okay, so now I can get rid of new connector panel in theory. And now if I start up the thing, it should do that. It is C#, yeah, exactly. And now it should list me all of the connections with their corresponding names. Hey, look at that beaut. So it gives me all the connections that we have in the project, which is 52. Look at it. This looks pretty cool, actually. And now I could click on connect, and then it should connect the current thing that we have selected, and it would connect to that electrical contact. So that's what I will definitely do, but I'll have to do it at another point. As I said, sorry. Why are the empty ones? Because they don't have a name. Some of them don't have a name. If I go into here, This should be all of those. Some of those don't have a name because I did not give the connection here. They don't have a designation. If you see this, they just don't have a designation. I have not given them a designation yet because I'm not finished. There should also be in before. It should list the component. Right now it's NO21, normally open 21. There could be 100 normally open 21s in the whole machine. So I also need to list the component in before. There's a lot. There's still a lot to do on this. So as I said, I unfortunately cannot go for long. Sorry, I know. I know. Wait, you didn't hear that. You did not hear that. Wait, now you hear it. Sorry, I can't do it. I'll try to make up for it. I'll try to make up for it with another technical stream by times. But I really need to check that thing. Will a cable renderer? I'm still thinking about it, Roy, but it would just be a big mess. Like a cable render would be a big mess. It's a practical software. It's software I'm developing. But for now, I gotta go. I just gotta go. Sorry. Thanks for joining, though. Thank you for joining. Enjoy the rest of your day. And I'll see ya. I'll let you know. And I'll make up for it for the short stream. But I'll see you around. Thanks for joining. And this is going great. If you've got ideas or so, let me know for the next time. Think about it, and I'll see ya.